Guys, so today I'm doing a review of this Little Potato Company. This is their savory herb version, and you can actually it comes with a herb packet and everything. This was on sale. Check this out. Here's the back nutrient panel, and yeah, no artificial flavors, all that type of stuff. Yeah, but it comes with a nice little mix though, and you can actually just cook it really quick. So, all right, I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Stay tuned. The potatoes all done up. You can see it came with a herb packet. Actually, it does smell pretty good, so I'm gonna break one in half here, and hopefully it comes out pretty good. Yep, there you go. And it's still steaming hot, so I'm just gonna take that bit there, give it a good hook. Ah, soft. The herb packet actually does add a nice little dimension to the potatoes. So yeah, it's good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.